at Taconic High School, we are driven by a mission to ensure that all of our students are college and career ready, as well as being prepared to make positive contributions to society. We're committed to fostering the diverse talents and abilities of every student in an environment that is both physically and emotionally safe. And we envision learning as joyful and our learners as passionate. Now, as ninth graders, you will begin your academic journey by first joining one of our academic pathways, a pathway that allows you to pursue your interests while meeting all of the course requirements necessary for graduation. The two main pathways here at Taconic are the Career and Technical Education Program, or CTE pathway, and the more traditional liberal arts pathway. Regardless of the pathway you choose, you will not only meet college entrance requirements by graduation, but you will also have an opportunity to earn college credit by taking advantage of one or more of our 18 advanced placement courses, or through articulation agreements between our CTE program and many of the local 2- and 4-year colleges and universities. So what will your schedule look like next year? Well, as ninth graders, your schedule will include courses in English, math, science, history, world language, PE, and health, and either a career exploratory course for CTE students and an elective opportunity for non-CTE students. But who better to talk about the courses available than the educators who teach them? So this time, let me introduce you to a few of our Taconic High School teachers.
Hi everybody, I'm Miss McCain. I'm one of the ninth grade math teachers, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about your options as an incoming ninth grader at Taconic. So our math program is based on the requirements of the state of Massachusetts. And so you'll take 4 years of math, including Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2. And your 4th year, senior year math course, there are a few options and choices for you to make. The Math MCAS is taken once in high school at the end of your sophomore year, and it covers the topics in Algebra 1 and some of geometry. And then we also offer AP courses in calculus and statistics. So there are a few different pathways you could take as an incoming ninth grader. The first is if you completed Algebra 1 already in 8th grade, then you could start in honors geometry in 9th grade and then move on through honors Algebra 2, pre-calculus, and then AP calculus or AP statistics in your senior year. Another honors pathway is if you've completed Math 8 in 8th grade, then you have the option to start in honors Algebra 1 and move all the way up through honors pre-calculus. Or you could choose to take intensive pre-calculus, statistics, or our advanced quantitative reasoning course. The intensive option for incoming ninth graders starts with Algebra 1 and again goes all the way up through pre-calculus or statistics or advanced quantitative reasoning. So thanks for listening, everyone, and I hope to meet you soon.
Hi there, my name is Mr. Slattery. I'm a teacher here at Taconic High School. I teach freshmen US History 1. Along with offering US History 1 to the freshmen, they can also take AP Human Geography. In the sophomore year, their 10th grade year, they have the option of taking US History 2 or AP US History. A new component for graduation is completing the civics project, which the sophomores will be required to take this year. And then juniors and seniors would have the option of taking world history or African American history, those 11th and 12th grade years. But it's good to note that these subjects or these courses might be subject to change when we go back to in-person learning. So just keep that in mind. And thank you for showing up to our open house. We appreciate it. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you guys for showing up.
Hey, Duffy, take a look at the syllabus for next year's English 9.
Well, you got an arm, Miss Gardner. You got an arm. All right, let's see what you got here. Grade 9 syllabus. Let's see. 6 units, all coming from the Into Literature textbook. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. We've got all our essential questions that are on there. It seems like these really connect to our students' lives as well. Hey, what story do you want to start with? You got the book right there?
I do. I'm looking at this one here, Unit 2. Take a look.
Oh my God. This thing's even heavier than the airplane. All right, Unit 2, the struggle for freedom. How can we find freedom in the midst of oppression? Oh, we can connect it to so many things that they might care about too in their lives. I think we got a pretty solid curriculum with this ninth grade textbook into literature. You may have seen something like it in 8th grade, but we kick it a little different in 9th grade. Looking forward to having you guys. I'm Mr. Duffy, Taconic High School teacher.
And I'm Mrs. Gardner, Taconic High School teacher, grade 9.
And we are looking forward to seeing you.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Pearson, and I am one of a great team of science teachers here at Taconic High School, ready to welcome you. At Taconic High School, you will be required to take 3 years of a science. Those sciences include biology, chemistry, and physics. You will also be required to take and pass one MCAS examination in science, typically taken at the end of your 9th grade year. As a 9th grader, you will be enrolled in either biology or freshman physics. Biology is offered at the intensive or honors level. Biology is the study of living things. You will learn about the chemistry of life, cells, genetics, ecology, evolution, and anatomy and physiology. In physics, physics is the study of the interaction of matter and energy. In physics, you will explore such things as mechanics and light and sound and electricity and magnetism. As a 10th grader through 12th grader, you will continue your science requirements in chemistry, physics, or biology, depending on your sequence. All of those are offered at the intensive and honors level. We also have a wide variety of electives here at Taconic in science. You can choose anatomy and physiology, engineering, environmental science, forensics, or microbiology. So we look forward to seeing you and meeting you real soon. Take care.
Hi, and welcome to the World Language Department at Taconic High School. I'm Kelly Cuson, and I teach French levels 1 through 5.
Ciao, my name is Carolina Perrone, and I teach Italian 1 through 5.
Hola, my name is Andres Moral, and I teach Spanish 1 and 2.
Hola, my name is Yamila Badui, and I also teach Spanish 1 and 2.
Hola, my name is Ana Larkin, and I teach Spanish 3, 4, and AP Spanish.
Requirements for graduation are 1 year minimum for non-CTE students, but 2 to 3 years are recommended for college admission or applying for a job.
A brief overview of the general expectations for our classes. Our most important work is done in class, where we learn how to speak another language, create stories, and learn about and compare different cultures and interact with one another.
Hello, incoming freshmen, and welcome to Taconic. I'm Mrs. Gerds, one of your health and wellness teachers here at Taconic High. As a freshman, you will come into Taconic. You will be taking Human Development 1 2 times a week. This course will entail a lot of the aspects of wellness and how we like to keep them balanced within our lifestyle. The other 3 days of school, your freshman year, you will be taking a PE class. Now, these classes range from flag football to pickleball to even circuit weight training. The cool thing about this school is that we have access to an aerobic room and a weight room. How cool is that? You can learn it all in PE class. As a sophomore, junior, or a senior, depending when we can fit it into your schedule, you will take Human Development 2. Human Development 2 will be diving deeper into those topics that you learned in Human Development 1. Along with that, you will also be taking PE classes with the same options available for you. You do have to pass all 4 years of PE and both years of human development in order to graduate high school. We are looking forward to meeting you next year. Have a great rest of your school year.
Hi, my name is Miss Stevens, and I'm one of the art teachers here at Taconic. This is my classroom, and I teach Foundations in Art, which is the beginning class that you would take when you come to the high school. Foundations of Art is teaching you about drawing and painting, using clay, which you see here, sculpture. And once you take Foundations in Art, You can then take ceramics with me. We have 2 years of ceramics. You can take 3-dimensional AP art. And there's also another teacher whose name is Mrs. Saldo, and she works right next door, and she teaches the 2-dimensional design. So she teaches the drawing classes, painting classes, and she also offers upper level AP art as well. So I hope you guys sign up for art. It's a lot of fun. Like I said, we use clay, we draw, we paint, and we just relax.
Welcome to our virtual open house. My name is Mr. Richard Downs, and I teach instrumental music at Taconic High School. We have 3 offerings in instrumental music. All of them are open to 9th graders, and they can all be repeated in subsequent years for credit. We have the traditional concert band, winds and percussion. We have what we call the guitar ensemble, which is our name for our jazz band. And we play a wide variety of styles, rock and R&B, and as well as jazz. And there's also instrumental music studio, which is sort of like taking private lessons, and that would be the best choice for a beginner. So we study a wide variety of styles of music with an emphasis on American music. And we also seek to, in addition to performing music, we learn to create it through improvisation and composition. Okay? That's our instrumental music program in a nutshell. Thanks for watching.
Pittsfield Public Schools believes all students should have access to high quality and engaging education, where curriculum content is rich, culturally relevant, and offers students opportunities to learn important concepts and procedures with understanding, all while simultaneously providing students opportunities to explore and grow. The multidisciplinary outcomes of communication and collaboration, critical thinking, creative thinking, self-direction, and to think globally are thoughtfully and purposefully embedded throughout the curriculum, all of which is aligned to the Massachusetts state frameworks. So we hope this was able to provide you a small taste of what Taconic High School has to offer, and we look forward to seeing you in September.